Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Mother's Day weekend to all the mums out there. I wanted to do a video for you guys today just comparing two of my favorite backpacks at the moment. Over here I have the Itzy Ritzy Boss diaper bag backpack, and I have the Twelvelittle on the go backpack over here in the cactus print. I have done some videos of both of these bags, which I will pop below in the description box for you guys to check out. But I actually have this one, the Twelvelittle, packed up at the moment, and I have been using this one since I got it because I just really like it a lot, surprisingly. But my Itzy Ritzy Boss packback is my other go-to one. I love the design and everything like that. So I will do another video comparing the Twelvelittle to the Be Right Back by Jujubee, but what happened this morning is I popped this one down next to this one and I just thought they looked so cute together. And I did notice some differences in height and width and things like that, so I wanted to kind of do a video in case people were wondering about the differences between these two backpacks. So the Twelvelittle I have packed up today for 4 of my kids. My oldest got dropped off at the mall for, you know, he's almost 14, so he's doing that whole wander around the mall with his friends thing. But he's responsible and a nice kid, so I don't mind that. I was going to go to the mall just to kind of have some breakfast and maybe get my kids' haircut, but it's Mother's Day weekend and it was absolutely crazy. The line to get into the shopping center was like huge. So I ended up going somewhere else to feed the kids and stuff like that. So this just has things in there for everybody, including my 2-year-old who probably needs the most. But there's no food or anything in that bag today because we did end up eating breakfast out, which of course was super expensive because I have so many children. So what I was going to do is kind of unpack this one and pack it into the Boss backpack here. First of all, I'll just go over some differences in features before we get into the packing, so then if you don't want to watch the packing, then you're not obliged to. If you just want to see the feature difference, then that's cool. So on the front here, there are some mommy pocket differences, of course. So the Boss backpack has 2 pockets here with magnetic closures, and this one is actually quite roomy, which is really nice, but the Twelvelittle just has a zip compartment that the only thing I can fit in there is my phone and my keys. I can fit a few more things into these pockets, so that's kind of the difference there. There is a big slip pocket at the front here, which actually I found some staples in. So that's another feature of the front of the bag. There isn't any other pockets on the front of the bag of the Twelvelittle. On the side pockets, there is one bottle pocket on the Boss backpack, and then on the other side is an insulated little zip pocket for snacks and things. The Twelvelittle has a bottle pocket on either side of the bag that is nicely insulated, and it does work quite well. I do actually stick both my bottles in those, and these are Funtainers. On the top of the bag, on the Boss backpack, there is a little tech pocket which is designed for your sunglasses. There isn't one on top of this one, but they do both have nice grab handles. The Twelvelittle is a lot padded. It's like a quilted padding with a faux leather accent on the top here. If you go around to the back of the bag, okay, so this bag is quite unique, the Twelvelittle, that it has a zip around kind of laptop pocket that is really kind of nifty. It also has this other pocket here that zips open on the top and the bottom, and it's designed to go over luggage handles. So this is probably why it's called the on-the-go bag, because it's for travel. The Boss backpack does have a nice zip pocket here, like a lot of bags do for change, that the change pad came with. This bag does not come with a change pad. It does not come with stroller hooks. It's just the bag. This one here, the Boss backpack by Itzy Ritzy, comes with a nice change pad plus stroller hooks that actually attach to these D-rings here. This is another thing, that the difference that they have in the 2 bags. The Boss backpack does have the D-rings, so it can be used on a stroller. Twelvelittle does not have any D-rings, so it is not a bag that you would use on a pram. It's strictly a backpack, which is fine with me because I don't use a pram anyway, but if you do, then that's something to consider. The backpack straps are a little different. These are thinner with a memory foam padding in there, so they are quite comfortable. I love how these are positioned. They do adjust with metal teeth adjusters here. They do attach on the side. The Twelvelittle has a quilted thick backpack strap, plastic adjusters, and it does attach to the side as well. but these do feel different on the back than these. I really like these backpack straps. They're so comfortable. It's probably my favorite bag to wear at the moment because I just don't even notice it's on my back, even fully packed up. Okay, so the bottom of the bag here is rubberized on the boss, which is really nice. You can plop it down wherever. The Twelvelittle on the go has little metal feet, which is nice too, so it protects the bottom of the bag. I love having protection on the bottom of the bag. I think that's it. I think that's it for the outside features too. Now you will notice that this bag, the Twelvelittle, kind of falls forward a little bit. Well, it doesn't fall, it just leans. That's one thing I want to point out. Even though it looks like it's going to fall, it won't. But that might bother some people. Doesn't really bother me because I like all the other features. The material on this bag is super smooth. It's so nice. It's like probably my favorite material. This is nice too, but it's got a bit more texture to it than the Twelvelittle one. All right, so we'll start at the mommy pocket. Sorry about my leg to the side. My legs go to sleep otherwise. Okay, so there's a nice nylon zipper in the front here of this mommy pocket, and I have my iPhone 10, which for this bag, on the boss, I like to put it in that flat pocket right there. And then the only other thing I have are my keys. Now this bag, I'm a little bit kind of funny about where to put my keys because I don't like putting them in with my phone, but that's the only other place I can think of unless I shove it inside the bag, or if I don't have a bottle in one of the bottle pockets, I use that. So I'm just going to put my keys aside for now. Let's do the bottle. So the one bottle would go in this side of the boss, and the other one I'll put inside of the boss backpack. Back here, as I said, there is this tech pocket that opens up. It's nice and thick and padded. In here I actually have an LCD writing board from Amazon, as well as my Logan and Lenora wristlet clutch with my nappy needs in there. There's just a couple of size 5 nappies, a light change pad, and a coin purse. And then in the front I just have a Baby Olay wet and dry bag. These things are really nice. If you're not going to use them for diapers or nappies, they make really nice kind of mom clutches and things. So I do sell these at Zara May Boutique, as well as the Itzy Ritzy Boss backpack. So that's all that was in that tech pocket. And then in this little pocket down here, I have my Tokidoki coin purse and my antibacterial wipes. So I am going to put the nappy clutch into this back pocket here because that's where I like to put my nappy stuff. And I'll put the LCD writing board in here as well. Now I usually put my lipstick and lip gloss Tokidoki coin purse in here, and I'll pop the antibacterial wipes in there as well because there's lots of room for that. Go into the center of the bag now. As I said, I don't have any snacks in this bag today, which is unusual for me, but I hadn't bothered filling up my snack bags. So the way that this Boss backpack opens is that it really kind of, it basically flops all the way down, and there's some mesh sections at the front. There is a net that connects here if you want to use it. I don't bother because I don't have anything fall out. I don't zip my bags all the way down. This one goes about halfway down, but it does fold down really nicely. So you can see inside of the bag there. So there is a zipper at the back of the on the go, and all I have in there is a little coin purse in rose-colored glass, GGB print, and I just have a little brush and some hair ties in there. So I think I'm going to put that in this same pocket right here at the top, because there's a zip pocket at the top of the Boss backpack. There are 2 pockets at the front here of the Twelvelittle. I have my wallet in one, there for a second, and some tissues and a small set piece and hand sanitizer in the other one right there. So what I'm going to do with these, I'm going to put my wallet into this very long material pocket in the Boss. And I didn't realize before, but there is a little pocket up the top here of the Boss backpack, and I didn't notice that for ages. I feel so silly. So I'm going to pop my small set piece in there because that works perfect in there like that. And then the hand sanitizer I'm going to pop into this little mesh pocket at the top here as well, just on the other side. And then this one I think I might pop into this zip pocket down here. That's just tissues, packet of tissues. Boop. Okay, don't have much else in here. I do have a brush that I brought upstairs in the bag, but I didn't take that. Okay, main section, I have a play pack and a small Be Organized with Tegu blocks. So I'm just going to pop that into just the center here, and I'll put the Tegu blocks into this other material pocket. And I have a smaller play pack that's custom made. So actually what I might do is put that play pack into here, into this material pocket. And then I put the small Be Organized into this side pocket here. I like to kind of use the side pockets if I can. There is a little flap closure here if you wanted to put it over the top. And I'm going to put my other drink bottle in here in this little cinched pocket on the side here. It's mesh. That works well. And I'm going to put my keys actually on the key hook at the top of the Boss backpack. You see that there? And the only other thing I have in here is my Y pouch. Now my Y pouch I like to put in the front of the bag, so I'm just going to close this up. And then my Y pouch goes in this big flat pocket here. So it's everything packed into the Boss backpack that was in the Twelvelittle on the go. I feel like that this one is a little heavier, but it's just, I think it's because of all the hardware and the different bottom and everything on the bag, but it's very, very comfortable on my back. So there you go. So there's kind of a little look at the two bags side by side there. This one is a little higher, I believe. And then if you put them next to each other like this, I think they're about the same. Yeah. So I hope that helped everybody get a little idea of how these two bags compare. If you have any questions or comments, please pop them below. And hope you guys have a great Mother's Day weekend. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.